Hello, good morning, good afternoon. I greet you specially. Yeah, in this video, I'll be solving Jamb questions. I'll be solving from Jamb past question. I'm going to show you how we are going to look at this past question from Jamb. But before we look at it, let's just pray for 2 seconds so that I'll just pray for retentive memory so that anything we are going to learn here today, you know it and understand it. We are in prayers for 2 seconds. Amen. Amen. Okay. Now, let's look at this Jamb past question. It's simple as ABC. Amen. Okay. So, this Jamb question says, past question says, if tan x is equal to sin x all over cos x, find tan open bracket 90 plus x for acute value of x. It's simple as ABC. Amen. Okay. So if you come across questions of this form in Jamb, let's first write solution. Amen. Our tan x is equals to sin x all over cos x. Amen. Then tan, they said we should find tan 90 x plus x. You know, when you come across questions of this one, what will first come into your mind is, look at this. You know that from trig, tan x is the same thing as sin x all over cos x, true of us. Then now they said tan is of 90 degree plus what? X. So what you will first consider is go back to half angles. Amen. Half angles. Is that clear? Since tan has been given as this, so this implies that this is the same thing as sin x all over cos x, then open bracket 90 plus x, then close the bracket. Do you agree with me? Okay. So now let's look at it this way. It means we can transform this way. This is the same thing as sine. Okay? Okay, sorry. Please, since we have to remove the x, since we have open bracket 90 plus x, so we have to remove the x. So, yes. So now here will now be sine 90 plus x, amen, all over cos 90 plus x. Then go back to your half angle. You know that, or we know, amen, that sine A plus B, this is the same thing as what? Sine A cos B plus, cos A sine B. Amen. True of us. Then likewise, cos A plus B is the same as, this one will now be cos A cos B minus sine A, amen, sine B. Take note of this. So if you agree with me, this implies that we can transform this way. So assuming if we have sine, amen, 90 plus x, this is the same thing as what? Sine 90 cos x plus cos 90 sine x. True or false? Then, if we want to represent it this way in cos 90 plus x is the same thing as cos 90 cos x minus sine 90 sine x. Amen? Okay? Do you agree with me? So now this will now be written in this form. Sine, if we go back to our half angles, from half angles, it means this would now be written instead of that sine 90 cos x, amen, plus cos 90 sine x, isn't it? All over what we do, the same thing applicable here, cos 90 cos x minus sine 90 cos sine x. Amen? Okay. So now here sine 90 degree will give us what? 1, right? So 1 times cos x, we are going to have amen, cos x. Then here cos 90 degree is going to give you 0. Then 0 times sine x is going to be 0. Then all over, amen, cos 90 degree is 0. 0 times this cos x is what? 0. Then sine 90 degree is 1. So 1 times sine x is going to give us what? Note that there is minus sign here. So this is how it's supposed to be. Okay, for the sake of margins, let me just do it this way. Okay, note that sine 90 degree, okay, amen, sine 90 degree or sine 90 is the same thing as 1, and cos 90, amen, cos 90 is equals to 0. Take note. So here will now be 1 times cos x, then plus 0 times sine x, amen. All over here is 0 times cos x, amen. Then here is minus 1 times sine x. True or false? So if you can see what I am saying, this is equals to, amen, this is equals to here will now be cos x, because 0 times sine x is 0. 1 times cos x is cos x. All over 0 times cos x is 0. Then minus 1 times sine is going to give us minus sine x. Minus 1 times sine x. So the whole thing will now be, go back to your trig. This is inverse of cos x divide sine x is going to give you cot x. Is that clear? But note that there is minus sign here. So here we are going to have minus cot x. This is the answer. So therefore, amen, therefore we can conclude by saying sine all over cos, open bracket, 90 degree plus x is equals to minus cot x. Is that clear? This is the final answer. Any question? Please, if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask. Drop it in the comment section. I'll look at it and get back to you. Make sure you share this video. For those who want to take Jamb, Jamb is close by. Thank you and God bless you. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.